Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys how to fix guys this problem on Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see guys your phone screen show this interface on your Tecno mobile guys when you on your YouTube app, any app. So guys, how to fix this problem on Tecno mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. Friends, you can see when I on YouTube app, friends you can see my phone screen show this interface. Same problem friends you have. So guys, how to fix this problem. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno mobile special function setting. After in special function friends, you can see last option accessibility setting. Click here. Friends, you want to on your high translate setting is select to speak, switch, access, talkbacks, app share, mini setting you can on from here. So friends, on your device this color inversion setting is on. So friends, you will have to only off, and friends you can see dark mode below of automatic on device, and friends you can use your YouTube screen without any screen color problem. Friends, you can see screen color will not change on YouTube, and friends you can on any app on your device, and friends you can see screen color problem will solve on our device. So I hope friends you understood how to fix and solve screen color problem on Tecno mobile. And friends, if you want again your color inversion setting on your device, click here color inversion. If you on, friends you can see again screen will show this interface on our device. So friends, you will have to off only color inversion setting, and guys your problem will solve, your problem will fix on your device. Friends, you can use your YouTube app without any screen color problem. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.